Hello everyone. So in today's video, we'll be looking at how to make a tension lever. So a tension lever is similar to a clamping lever. It's also a mechanical component used to securely fasten or hold an object in place by applying pressure and without needing any further or different tools. So what you're looking at here is the 3D model that we will be ending up with after this tutorial. So to make something clear here as well. So this piece normally, or this component normally comes in 3 pieces: this disc, the lever, and then the ball. But for the sake of the exercise, we will be making it as one. Without further ado, let's jump into how to design it. So to design this part, go to new, click on part, and then click OK. So we will start by the bottom of it. Let's select the front plane, go to sketch, circle, and added dimension should be 33. All right, now let's go to polygon. Let's make it 4 line polygon, create the first one, and then create the second. All right, let's add in dimensions, make this one horizontal, and let's actually add some dimensions here. So this should be 14, and this should be, you guessed it, 14 as well. So let's make them equal. Right, let's add a center line here just to make it vertical. Perfect. Now let's trim the inside entities that we wouldn't be needing, like these lines here. Let's continue trimming. Just zoom in if you cannot really reach the sketch that you want to trim. Just zoom in and cut it. Right, by the end you should get something that looks like that. We might have lost this dimension, so we just add it, and you should be good to go. Now let's go to extruded boss, make it mid plan, and the height should be 17. All right, so you should get something that looks like that. Now let's add in chamfers here and here. Go to chamfer. Let's make it 2. Great. And let's add in fillets. Let's make it 0.5 in radius. Click on this one, and let's actually select all the inside lines. All right. So we should get something that looks exactly like that. Now let's create a plan. Go to top plane and reference, and then plan. The distance from the center to this plan should be 12. Perfect. Now let's select this plan and create a circle. The diameter of the circle should be 10. Great. And now let's skip the sketch and add in a line on the right plane. It should start from the center of the circle, and then add in radius here, and then continue sketching. All right. Now let's add in dimensions. This radius here should be 60. Perfect. And the angle here should be 15. All right. The height from this point to the bottom should be 27. And the total dimension should be 118. Perfect. Once you get this fully black sketch, click OK and skip sketch again. And now let's go to sweep boss, click on the circle, click on the line that we have created, and you should get something that looks like that, which is our lever. Now let's go to right plan again, go to sketch, go to circle, click on this line and drag, add in dimension, which is 25. Similar to what we have done before, go to midpoint line, click on this line, and then drag, make this line vertical to this line, and go to trim entities, and let's trim this entity here. Now let's go to revolved boss, click on this line. You should get something that looks exactly like that. Now let's clean up our design. Great. Let's add in appearances. Change the background. It's actually a steel. Let's go to casted steel. And for this ball here, we want it to be a plastic. So let's go to plastic, high gloss plastic. Let's go to gray and apply a plastic for it. So that was our tutorial. I hope you like it and see you in the next one.